Many businesses have clients who prefer to pay them on terms. The business receives the order, works on and even delivers the order, and then sometimes may need to wait 30, 60, even 90 days to get paid. This delay in payment causes a cash flow drain for the business. In many cases, this lack of cash flow causes the business to miss out on other orders it receives but can't fulfill, limiting the business growth. Our account receivable program solves the cash flow problem and will advance you as much as 80% of your account receivables within 24 hours. There is no longer a reason to wait weeks or months to get paid. Now you can receive up to 80% of your receivables quickly, eliminating your cash flow headaches once and for all. Account receivable financing is not a loan, so you acquire no debt. You are simply selling an asset, your receivables, to the source for a discounted price. And the best part is that this special discount is typically 5% or less. This means now you can get paid on your receivables within 24 hours for less than you would pay to accept credit cards from your customers. Once approved, you receive an advance on your receivables within 24 hours of when you receive them. You will initially be advanced as much as 80% of the receivable. The remaining 20% minus your discount will be delivered when your customer pays the invoice. Our account receivables finance program helps you convert commercial receivables into cash quickly. This gives you plenty of cash flow to take on new orders and continue to grow your business. Plus, since you can offer your clients terms and still get paid quickly, you can be more lenient with payment arrangements, giving you a competitive edge. While others are tightening terms to rein in money, you are extending your clients better terms, resulting in more happy, loyal customers. You can be approved for account receivable financing even if you have challenged personal credit. The funding source is mostly concerned with the creditworthiness of your customers, not you. This makes the program much easier to qualify for even if you or a partner have bad personal credit now. The funder will review your business's Dun & Bradstreet credit profile for initial approval. To qualify, your business will need to be open for at least a year. With our account receivable finance program, the funder handles the credit and background checks of your customers for you. This is one less thing you need to worry about. Plus, they handle any and all collection calls and activity, so you no longer need to be the bank or the collection company. You can do just what you're great at and watch your business explode with growth. Account receivable financing is perfect for many types of industries. Our construction program is perfect for those involved in contracting and construction. Get paid quickly on outstanding receivables, pay your subcontractors and suppliers faster, and save money while increasing your working capital. Many professionals in the medical industry love the benefits account receivable financing provide. Physicians, chiropractors, dentists, even home health care agencies can benefit from this program. Receivables from insurance companies, Medicare, and Medicaid are accepted. Apply today and you can receive your initial pre-qualification within 4 days. Your formal approval typically happens in 3 weeks or less. And once you are initially approved, you can then receive funding against your future receivables within 24 hours. Now you don't need to wait weeks or months to get paid. You can still offer terms for your clients, but you can receive your money in 24 hours for less than the cost of accepting credit cards for payment. Our account receivable financing program is a powerful way for you to obtain near unlimited capital to grow your business. Call us today to learn more and secure account receivable financing for your business.